My name is Allan Dahringer. I work for Mesilla Valley Transportation. We've had many different types of APUs, and we've had trouble with about every product there is. I think we've tried everything under the sun. We started back in the day when there was not an APU. The AC systems we had did not function very well. And if you thought about getting a motel, that wasn't the right thing to ask. To have an APU, it's a big value, if it works. And so we're banking on the DClimate to be a functional, reliable piece, and so far I think it is. The DClimate is serviceable. You can change the dryer, you can change the compressor. You can fix them. I'm a simple guy, and I think the DClimate is a simple product that most everybody can operate without having to get out a manual. Nobody wants to read. I like to look at something, oh, that's simple, turn it on, and it blows cold air or heat. The AC is the important part. It's got a lot of volume of air. I've had good luck with it so far. If you don't get any negative feedback, that's a win right there. They're not coming in my office screaming or complaining, and I watch a lot of on-road breakdowns. If a driver's gonna be hot, if he needs his APU to work, I don't see a lot of DClimates involved. That's good feedback right there. There's many products out there. You can buy the factory installed versions that International puts out. You can buy all the diesel stuff, but that's pricey stuff. You gotta do oil changes, you got to do stuff. But the DClimate, as said before, it's just a simple product. It doesn't take up all your room. You still have two side boxes you can store stuff in, and drivers have a lot of stuff. DClimate made it to where you have space on each side to store stuff, so that's a huge plus right there, but it does not encroach on the driver's space as many other competitors' products do. I would recommend it. I think it's far superior as far as over the competitors' products.